A satellite is a spacecraft designed for operation in harsh space environment. Absence of atmosphere, ionizing radiation, and temperature extremes ranging from -180 to +180 degrees Celsius. This is the environment where a satellite has to operate for many years or even decades. There are special onboard devices which make onboard subsystems, also known as survival subsystems, allowing a satellite to operate in space for such a long time. For instance, electric power subsystem is responsible for supplying power to the onboard equipment of the satellite. Solar arrays are the main sources of power for a satellite. However, when a satellite enters eclipse orbit, where the sun energy is unavailable, satellite batteries step into the game. The batteries are pre-charged on Earth before the satellite is launched, and while in orbit, it's the solar arrays that charge the batteries. Thermal control subsystem serves to dissipate excess heat from operating onboard equipment and keep the satellite warm in extremely cold environment of eclipse orbits. A satellite has a set of devices ensuring the satellite's right position relative to the Sun and the Moon. Such devices constitute attitude determination and control subsystem. Telemetry, command and ranging is another service subsystem responsible for monitoring the satellite condition in orbit, transferring control commands to the satellite and sending telemetry down to Earth. Finally, there is a subsystem which coordinates operation of the whole satellite. It consists of electronic units and is called onboard control subsystem. All of the onboard equipment is mounted on the satellite primary structure. The primary structure is very robust and firm, so that it can withstand the mass of all the equipment, which is many times heavier than the structure itself.